Welcome to our channel. Installing streaming apps safely on Firestick requires following official procedures. Follow these step-by-step instructions for secure installation. Step 1. Always check the Amazon App Store first. Search for the app you want and download it directly if available. Step 2. Read app permissions before installing. Understand what access the app requests and only proceed if permissions seem reasonable. Step 3. Check the app developer's name. Official apps come from recognized companies. Be suspicious of apps from unknown developers. Step 4. Look at the app's update history. Regularly updated apps from established developers are more trustworthy than abandoned apps. Step 5. Read recent user reviews. If many users report problems, crashes, or suspicious behavior, avoid the app. Step 6. If sideloading is necessary, only download from the official website of the app developer. Never use random download links or codes. Step 7. Install antivirus software if you frequently sideload apps. This adds an extra layer of protection against malware. Step 8. Be extremely cautious of apps that claim to provide free access to premium content or that require you to disable security settings. These are major red flags. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.